Okay, in the previous video, I uh, solved this question, which is basically about sketching this piecewise function. And the first part is, basically about finding the value of the function at when x is minus 3, 0, and 2, and then we should sketch the graph of the function. And now today I'm going to do part B, which is another piecewise function. Last time we had x squared plus 2 and x. This time is x plus 1 and then x squared. So again, it's just the same combination of a straight line and a quadratic curve. Okay, so first let's just work out f of minus 3. So when x is less than or equal to minus 1, basically that's this condition. So that means we substitute minus 3 into here. So we are going to have minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. Now, f of 0. So 0 is actually about the second condition because it satisfies the second condition because 0 is greater than minus 1. So we are going to have 0 squared, which is 0. And the next one is f of 2, where 2 is again basically 2 satisfies the second condition because 2 is greater than minus 1. So we will have 2 squared, which is 4. Okay, so that's the first part, but the main part is sketching the graph. And we have, okay, so let's look at this straight line. Let's start with this one, which is x plus 1. And we can draw this for the values of x that are less than or equal to minus 1. Okay, so first of all, consider this, which is, let's say it's y is equal to x plus 1. And if we want to work out the x-intercept of this line, basically we consider the value of y as 0, and then that is x is minus 1. So that means that this line, the line x plus 1 is equal to y, has the x-intercept of minus 1. So let's say here is minus 1. And its y-intercept is plus 1. But be careful, because the function, this basically, when we have x plus 1, this must be less than or equal to minus 1. So this means that this straight line is this basically. We can't just extend this and get to this point where the y-intercept is 1 and then continue. We are not allowed to do that because the x values that are less than minus 1 or equal to minus 1 only satisfy this function. So that's not allowed, and we have to stop. So yeah, we stop here. We stop at minus 1 and we don't go further. Now let's look at the second bit of this, which is x squared, and this is only for the x values that are greater than minus 1. So we don't have any issues for the positive x values. It's just half of a quadratic curve. And then for this bit, remember that let's say we have y is equal to x squared, and when x is, let's find what is the value of y when x is minus 1. So that is 1. So that means that when x is minus 1, this function y is equal to x squared is equal to 1. So, and then we said that, let's say here is 1. So basically that means it is here. Therefore, if we continue, we stop here. And the reason I'm using an empty circle here, because we are excluding minus 1, because x can't be minus 1. And yeah, so basically this is the graph of this piecewise function, and we should be careful which basically ranges and which values of x satisfy each graph. That's very important to always take into consideration. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for the future videos. Good luck.